The word we'll be learning in this section is oshire, which you will often hear in conversations about traditional Japanese homes, or when discussing storage space within them. The word oshire means a traditional Japanese closet. It's usually a built-in storage space found in homes, typically used for storing items like futons, bedding, clothing, or household goods. The first kanji means push or press and gives the idea of applying force or movement. You can see that meaning in words like osu, where the action is literally pushing, and in oshu, where the sense of forcing or taking hold is present. The second kanji means to enter or to put into something, and it often shows movement into a space. That meaning appears clearly in hairu, which is to go in, and in ireru, which is to put something into something else. I store the mentaiko in the closet. 明太子を押し入れで保存します。明太子を押し入れで保存します。I clean and organize the closet every day. 毎日押し入れをきれいに整理します。毎日押し入れをきれいに整理します。I put the futon in the closet. 布団を押し入れに入れます。布団を押し入れに入れます。Store winter clothes in the closet. 冬の服を押し入れに保管する。冬の服を押し入れに保管する。The most common synonyms of the word are todana. While oshire refers to a built-in closet primarily found in traditional Japanese rooms, todana is more inclusive, referring to any cabinet or cupboard used for storage. The most common antonyms of the word are goshu. While oshire refers to a space designed to conceal items, goshu is the idea of exposing or revealing something, which is the opposite of storing items away.